Meet the AI Kitchen Robot, a futuristic gadget that transforms your kitchen into a smart restaurant, designed to cook, clean, and even serve food. This robot is more than just a machine. It's your personal chef and assistant. Imagine coming home tired, and instead of struggling in the kitchen, your AI robot takes over, washes, peels, chops, and organizes your ingredients perfectly, faster and more accurately than a human. This isn't just a basic cooker. The AI Kitchen Robot uses smart sensors to measure exact flavors, adjust seasoning, and cook food to perfection. From soups and curries to pasta and grilled dishes, every meal is crafted with chef-level expertise. And when everything is ready, it doesn't just stop there. Your AI robot serves the meal with style, garnishes like a master chef, and makes sure your dining experience feels 5-star. No more dirty dishes. No mess. The AI Kitchen Robot cleans everything up, leaving your kitchen spotless while you relax and enjoy your food. Whether you're a busy parent, a student living alone, or a couple who loves convenience, this robot adapts to your lifestyle, saves time, reduces stress, and makes everyday cooking a pleasure. The future of cooking is here. AI Kitchen Robot, your personal chef, cleaner, and kitchen partner. Are you ready to welcome the future into your home?